Hello and welcome to Excellent Link Academy. For this class, we'll proceed with the second example under product rule method of differentiation. Last class, we dealt with the introduction to product rule, which is simply the third method, right? The fourth method to differentiation. So, and I gave you the mathematical expression, or let me call it the formula for solving problems under product rule. So let's go ahead and take example 2 and let's solve together to further increase the in-depth understanding of how to evaluate problems using product rule. Let's say that I have that y is equal to 4x minus 2 all squared into 3x squared plus 4x. Let's say I have this particular question here and I'm told to solve this problem here. First, ask yourself, is this question a product rule? Of course, yes. Why? Because I have this and this multiplying each other. Also, if I want to explain in-depthly, observe that this is 4x minus 2 all squared. This one alone is referring us back to chain rule, right? This is a chain rule. This stuff here is a chain rule concept. So here's the thing, if this is a chain rule, so I'm going to combine the idea of chain rule and product rule here. Now I've done a video that explains the concept behind chain rule. All right, let's see how we can possibly evaluate this particular problem. My very first task, as usual for product rule, is that you let u to be equal to this first term here, that's 4x minus 2 all squared. This is u, right? Now here's the thing, you say let u to be this first term here and let v to be this first term here. If you're familiar to our previous class, this is what we said. So if I say u should be this now, observe that I'm representing u with respect to x. So I'll have du over dx as being equal to, this is a chain rule. So I'm not going to be applying chain rule long cut. I taught you shortcut for chain rule last class. So if you don't know how to solve problems using chain rule shortcut, I'll drop the link to chain rule shortcut in the description of this video. So try to watch how to solve problem using chain rule shortcut, right? So for shortcut, we said write out the power. The power here is 2. Write out the power times differentiate the term in brackets. I have 4x minus 2. If I differentiate 4x minus 2, I'll have 4. We said repeat the question. That's 4x minus 2 all to power 2. Then we said subtract from the power minus 1 from the power. From here, the u over the x now will be equal to 2 times 4 is 8 into 4x minus 2. This is like my answer after solving this u to be this, after differentiating u as this. So I have this. So know how to solve problem using shortcuts. That's why I taught you shortcuts. So you can apply it in this case. Also let v, you say let v to be what? 3x squared plus 4x. I have v, I have x. In that case, I'll have the v over the x as being equal to, this is 6x plus 4. If I differentiate 3x squared plus 4x, I'll have 6x plus 4 as my answer. So in this case now, I'm done. Next task now is what? Using product rule formula. So using product rule formula that says what? Dy over dx is equal to v du over the x plus u dv over dx. So I have this. From here now, my task is quite simple from here and easy. What's the task here? Just substitute. So I'll have that dy over the x now will be equal to, what's v? V is 3x squared plus 4x. So 3 x squared plus 4x is just v into what's the u over the x. The u over the x is what? This expression, perhaps I can, okay, I have 8 into 4x minus 2. So that's for these two, plus, this is a plus sign here, plus u. What is u? U is this. That's of course, what's u? U is this expression, that's 4x minus 2 all squared. U, the v over the x. The v over the x is of course into what? 6x plus 4. So I have this. Alright, let's try to simplify this. From here, the y over the x will be equal to, this becomes 3x squared plus 4x, right, into, I'll expand using 8, right? 4 times 8 is 64. 4 times 8x is 64x minus 2 times 8 is 16. I have 16 here, right? I can say plus, this is plus, this is 4x minus 2 all squared into 6x plus 4. I have this. All right. From here, if I want to, I can leave my answer this way, right? And still correct. But if I want to, I can still expand. But to save time, I can leave my answer this way. So this is my answer. So this is how to solve this particular problem using product rule. I said if I want to, I can still expand. You can expand the bracket, right? Expand this one and expand, then you evaluate. But perhaps you can stop it this way. See correct. All right, this is how to solve problem using product rule concept. All right, see you next class where we'll be looking at the quotient rule method of differentiation.